Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare, and today I'll be teaching you how you're going to set up your documents inside SlabWare system. So let's go to the tutorial.
Let's set up the documents in the system. Start by going to Settings and then click on Document Settings. Here you can customize the header information that will appear on your documents, such as your company name. For the prefix, I'm using SW for SlabWare. You can leave it blank if you prefer. I'll show you in a moment how this will look on your documents. You can also set the number that will appear on your next quote and invoice. Right below, you can also define the next number for your purchase order documents. If you'd like to use the same number for both the quote and invoice documents, simply check this box. The invoice number field will be locked, and only the quote document number will be editable. But if you prefer to use different numbers, just leave the box unchecked. In the first info line, you can add your company's address. In the second line, you can add your contact information, like an email address or phone number. You can also choose the language in which the PDF will be generated. To add your company logo, click the Logo button. You can remove or change it at any time. Here you can include custom messages, for example, your terms and conditions, which will appear on quotes, invoices, consigned orders, and purchase orders. Feel free to personalize this section with whatever makes the most sense for your business. Once you're done, click Save. Now let me show you how this setup looks in the final document. Go to Orders, then click List of Orders. Here you can see the prefix and the document number for each invoice and quote. In this example, we set 453 as the next invoice number and 720 for the quote. If you click New and create a new invoice or quote, the next number you defined will appear in the list. The same thing will happen with the PO. To view the document, click on Any Order. I'll choose an invoice. Then go to Actions right below and click Generate PDF. In the document, you'll see the invoice number with the prefix right here, along with your company information and the logo. And below, you'll find the custom message you defined earlier. You can also download the documents right here as a PDF. You can also send the document by email, and this email can have a custom layout as well. Click the card above to watch our video on how to customize email settings.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside slabware.com and start a free trial right now.